Thinking about switching from Spotify to Tidal, but don't want to lose all your playlists and saved music? A lot of users are moving to Tidal for its higher audio quality, hi-fi listening experience, and better sound performance for headphones and speakers. But rebuilding your entire music library manually can take hours or even days. So in this video, I'll show you how to transfer your Spotify playlists, albums, and library to Tidal using Playlist Go quickly and easily. Let's dive in. First, download Playlist Go on your computer and install the app. Once you open it, you'll see two panels. The left side is your source platform, and the right side is your destination platform. On the left side, choose Spotify and log into your account. After logging in, you can select exactly what you want to transfer: your library, saved albums, playlists, and liked songs. Just choose the content you want to move to Tidal. Now on the right side, select Tidal as the destination platform. Then log into your Tidal account. Once both platforms are connected, click Start Transfer in the top right corner. But here's something really useful. Playlist Go doesn't immediately move your music. Instead, it first scans and matches all the songs in your playlist. This allows you to clearly see which songs can be transferred successfully and which tracks cannot be matched. Playlist Go even shows unmatched songs directly, so you can easily understand the status of your playlists before transferring anything. This is super helpful, especially for large libraries. Once the matching process is complete, click Start Transfer again. Now Playlist Go will begin transferring everything to Tidal. The transfer speed is really fast. Even playlists with hundreds or thousands of songs can usually be completed within just a few minutes. So if you want to switch from Spotify to Tidal without losing your playlists and music library, Playlist Go makes the whole process incredibly easy. You can find the download link in the description below. And right now, Playlist Go is also running a special giveaway where you can get a free license. So if you want to try the full version for free, check the link in the description and join us now. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more music transfer tutorials.